Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and I went and got Dairy Queen. I got Dairy Queen, and they have the Superman cake batter lizard. I think that's what it's called. But anyway, let me show it to you for kind of the actual name of it. Right there. I got the small. I got a meal with it. Fries, a drink, a cheeseburger. I got the receipt. Let me make sure what the name of it is. Yeah, the Superman cake batter cookie dough lizard is what it's called. Let's get into that. Let's go into this real quick. That way, it doesn't melt like it did, like the How to Train Your Dragon one did. If y'all saw that one, y'all know what I'm talking about. You got the cookie dough bites right there. And the Superman part, I guess it's the blue ice cream and the sprinkles. The ice cream itself doesn't really have flavor, any type of flavor. Not really, not, not that I'm picking up on. We do have to make this kind of quick because my battery will die here in a bit. But yeah, that's pretty good. Actually, a couple of bites of the burger, and then we'll cut the video. Or shoot. You know what? We'll leave it at this. We'll leave it at that. We'll take a couple of bites of the burger. You have to tell them not to put mustard on it. Don't really like mustard. That's my bad. Other than that, the burger's good. And we'll take a couple of dips of fry. Dip some fries and some ketchup. Try these out. Sorry about that. If you guys are gonna go see a new Superman movie, comment down below. Let me know if you're going to see it or if you've seen it. If you liked it. Let's do and take one more bite of burger. One more bite. Okay. Okay, well, this will be a bit of a short video due to the low battery. If you enjoyed this video and are excited for the Superman movie, great. I am too. Anyway, comment, like, subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed Superman, the movie. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.